This is the Kanaha Pond State Wildlife Sanctuary, which was once a royal fish pond. It is located in what is now known as Kahului, but in ancient times it falls in the larger district of Wailuku. The wind name for this area is Makani Lave Malie, which means the wind that takes it easy. In the early 1700s, Chief Kapi'io Ho'okani ordered the construction of twin fish ponds. Another chief, named Kiha'api'ilani, was responsible for the separation of the water in the ponds, which gave the two different names, Kanaha and Maoni. Rocks and stones were passed hand to hand by a long line of workmen to make the walls of the pond. The fish pond was used to store and fatten the fish which were caught because during a portion of the year it was prohibited to catch or eat fish. This was known as the breeding season. In the early 1800s, King Kamehameha named the ponds Maoni and Kanaha after the son and daughter of Kapi'io Ho'okani. For many years, these ponds yielded much fish and an abundant amount of mullet. The ponds were filled with natural springs and a steady flow of clean water. It was extremely useful and frequently used in providing food for the Hawaiians and people in the Wailuku districts. Over the years, the ponds became less important, and the Kahului Harbor was dredged in around 1910. This also closed the opening of the overflow ditch, which separated the ponds from the ocean. This is the reason the water in Kanaha Pond is now stagnant, murky, and gives off an offensive odor. In addition to the dredging, the Maoni Pond is now covered with gas storage tanks and industrial buildings. Due to the lack of water, poor living conditions for fish, and the lack of fish, it has now become a bird sanctuary. This sanctuary is home to over 50 species of birds, including 3 endangered Hawaiian species: the Hawaiian stilt, Io, the Hawaiian coot, Alai, and the Hawaiian duck, Koloa.